Hi there, this is Courtney from Collins Country, and this is the front porch of our farmhouse that we decorated for this Christmas season. It cost us less than $15 to do, and it took less than an hour. So if you want to see how I did it, come along and I'll show you. Good afternoon. It is really cold outside, so Levi and I are bundled up here because we are going to be decorating the front porch. I want to decorate it with some cedar trees. We have a part of our woods that has way too many cedar trees, and a lot of them need to be taken out. So we're going to go down there and get a couple of those, dig them up, and then we're going to repot them on our front porch and maybe even put some Christmas lights on them. So we'll see. Come along with us. You ready, Levi? That's right. Come along with us. Okay, so all of this section of the woods here, it's insane. I mean, there's just thousands of cedars. So I see some smaller ones like this guy right here. We're gonna dig those up. Okay, here's our first little cedar tree. I'd say this guy is maybe 4 feet tall. He's really cute, and surprisingly, it was really easy. It rained a lot last night, so the dirt's not super hard here. Okay, let's get some more. Got our second one here. This one's a little bit taller. I don't know, maybe close to 6 feet or so. I gotta try to find another one this size, then another one the smaller size. There we go. Got them all. Let's go set them up. Now the not so fun part. I gotta get all the fall decor off of the porch. The porch is cleaned off. Now we are ready to plant those cedar trees in these pots. When I first put the tree in the pot, it blew over very easily with the wind. So I took it back out and removed a bunch of the soil so I could put it deeper into the pot and put a bunch of soil on top of it and then kind of pack it in to support it. And it stayed up much better that way. Oh my goodness, it's windy, but we're making progress. Look at how cute this is. So naturally beautiful. I'm obsessed. This is going to become a tradition that I do every year for sure. Let's finish decorating. Okay, here it is. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's so simple, but yet it's so cute. I love the antler decor and everything. And this will work perfect for winter because when Christmas is over, all I have to do is switch out the wreath to a wreath that's just solid green with no red on it, and we're ready for winter. But looking over here, we've got this antique kettle pot. I forget what these are called, but that's been in my family for years. And then I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were really cheap, like $6 or $7. All the antlers are real from animals we have hunted. And then over here, these are my real ice skates. And then just some birch logs off my grandpa's farm. And that is a really old pail as well. I'd say that thing's probably at least 75 years old. But I love it. The only other thing I have is this garland right here. And that garland lights up. And I may or may not put that up and around the door. I'm gonna see what James thinks when he gets home, but it's pretty much done and I absolutely love it. Simple, free, and really cute. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, because I'm always willing to add more to this.